expressing grave concern over the repeated terror attacks in Jammu, the opposition parties on Tuesday called for a re-evaluation of the security strategy after 4 army personnel, including an officer, were killed in a gunfight with heavily armed terrorists in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge criticized the BJP-led NDA government, emphasizing the urgent need for the recalibration in security measures. He has said, and I quote, "The Modi government must know that increasingly Jammu region is bearing the brunt of these attacks. We cannot endanger our national security by indulging in false bravado, fake narratives and high decibel whitewashing." Rahul Gandhi, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, lashed out at the government, holding it responsible for the continuous attacks taking place. He said, and I quote, that every patriotic Indian demands the government should take full responsibility for the repeated security lapses and take strict action against the culprits who harm the country and the soldier. Senior Congress leader Dr. Karan Singh also expressed concern over rising terrorist attacks in the Jammu region. Let's take a look at what Dr. Karan has said.
ये गहरे चिंता का विषय है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं। कई वर्षों तक आतंकवादियों ने कश्मीर वादी में अपने काम किया था और वहाँ बहुत बड़ी कठिनाई से, बड़ी हिम्मत से उनको सबको कंट्रोल में लाया गया है। इक्कड़ उक्कड़ तो होते रहते हैं, लेकिन जो बड़े पैने पर कर रहे थे वो कश्मीर में नहीं हो रहा। अब लगता है इन्होंने जम्मू की ओर अपना ध्यान देना शुरू कर दिया है। देखिए, पिछले 6 महीने में हमने कई अपने जवान और अफसरों को गंवा दिया है, वो शहीद हो गए हैं। यानी बहुत ही गंभीर विषय है ये। 4 हमारे जवान और 1 अफसर मारे गए। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि पूरा अभी तक प्रशासन का वहाँ कंट्रोल नहीं रहा है। नहीं तो ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए।
Now, the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi also expressed deep concern over the Doda attack, stating that it is a severe failure on the part of the government to control terrorism. Let's take a look at what's been said by him.
नरेंद्र मोदी बड़ा बात कर रहे थे, बड़ी बात कर रहे थे। हम घर में घुस के मारे, क्या हो रहा है फिर ये? तो ये सरासर नाकामी है गवर्नमेंट की। टेररिज्म को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे और डोडा में जो हुआ है ये तो एलओसी से बहुत दूर है, तो इसलिए बहुत तशवीशनाक और डेंजरस बात है ये।
Now, the border districts of the Jammu region have witnessed an uptick in terror attacks since April this year. Let's set some context with regards to what's going on. There have been several attacks that's continuously taken place in this particular region, be it Doda, be it Kathua region. In fact, only in the recent past, only a week ago, the Kathua region also saw a similar attack, wherein we had seen that 5 of our officers had in fact faced serious injuries, while 5 officers' lives had even been claimed in this particular attack. That is what's the situation currently like in Jammu, with several terror attacks consistently taking place across regions there, with counter operations also being launched by our army personnel.